What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today we are talking about MoneyTime. Those of you who do not know, I've already reviewed MoneyTime in the past. This is just another MoneyTime review on something else about the app. But basically today we are going to be testing out and trying out all the offers and just testing a bunch of different offer games and see how MoneyTime pays out for each of those offers. So with that being said, let's jump into it. So I tested the offers on MoneyTime for about 10 days, just to see if any of the offers would pay out differently than they would before. I also tested like coin payouts and how many coins, if the coins have anything to do with the payout itself. And I also tested, just to see like if the offers would affect, like the offers and the coin amount would affect the cash out and a bunch of different things. But I noticed like if you watch a bunch of ads and basically it doesn't matter if you play like 3 set games. You don't have to play 3 set games all the time. You just really need to watch a bunch of ads and play your favorite games that you like to play. And if you like to do offers, the offers are there. I do want to say, with testing it for like 10 days, the offers do pay a little bit more. So say if you're just on MoneyTime and you're just playing the regular apps, like the games that are basically knockoffs of the ones from Just Play, if you're just playing those, it's really not gonna pay out a whole bunch. It's gonna be paying out cents compared to dollars. So basically I figured out that some offers will pay a lot more, but some of those offers, they will offer an option, like an optional thing to get more coins, and those optional things are like buying more spins on the game or something like that. And so I did one of those things, and I bought some like coins from a game, and just to see how much it would give me for buying those coins. Usually cashback apps try to give you close to that amount that you spent, or some apps I've noticed will give you more than that amount. So I had thought that it would give me more than what I had spent, just a little bit more than what I had spent. And I found out that it just didn't give me anywhere near what I spent. So I think I spent like $1.99, and it only gave me like 30 something cents back. So doing the optional offers on the offers where they will pay you extra to buy coins or something, I recommend to stay away from it. But if you want to take the gamble and maybe you'll get one where they pay out like $2 or something, maybe you might get it. But in my experience of the last 10 days, I did not get that. Alright, I'm just going to show you guys this real quick. There's 150% more earnings. That's been going on for quite some time now. It keeps resetting. But as you can see here at the top, these are the offer games that I've played. Lots of casino games, lots of bingo games. Yeah. So I played that train one. You guys see me play that live on a live stream. That live stream is still up and you can find it on my channel. I also played Monopoly Bingo. I played a grass cutting game, slots game, bingo game, and another slot game. And basically that's what got me my point value goal. What I was talking about, the optional offers purchase piggy bank for saving coins. It rewarded 308,000 coins, and I believe I had to spend $1.99, and it paid out 30 cents. So 308,000 coins it gave me basically 30 cents. As you can see, you can put a decimal point right there and you can see how much it actually gives you. I'm not sure if the amount of ads that you watch while playing the game while doing that has any effect on how much they pay you, but that's what I found out. This one, you could just play games every single day, and there's different tiers that will pay you, which is really nice. Here's another one. Took forever. Oh, I already showed you that one. Here is the other one. It took forever to get level 50 and didn't really pay out very good. They also have another purchase mission pass for 99 cents, and they'll pay you 154,000 monies, which I don't know if it's even worth it. But yeah, those are the offer games. But don't let that sway you away from MoneyTime, because MoneyTime is one of those other handy apps that can be useful if you keep it on your phone. Like I've told people in the past, the way to really make money with these apps is to multi-app. So MoneyTime is a good app to use. So you want to keep MoneyTime and you want to use MoneyTime every day. But you also, to multi-app, you need some other apps that you think are good, and you use these other apps daily. That is how you're going to make money using these apps, is multi-apping. Alright, we are going to cash out on MoneyTime. As you can see, I've played for a full 10 days. Still got 200 coins. Next cash out's in 49 minutes. I got 400. I wish I had $400. I got $4.40. Cash out to PayPal. $4. Blah blah blah. You gotta input your PayPal email address, your name, and your address. They say they ask for the data. Perts. Oh, this makes me not want to use it. MoneyTime collects the personal data in this form, and then your photo and a scan of your facial geometry to prevent fraud and to inform you about our goods and services. Retain your photo and facial geometry scan for up to 3 months. Shorter if you uninstall the app. Alright. I don't know how I did not notice that before. Alright. Success. Your transaction request has been received. You will receive an email to confirm your transfer. You earned 10,000 monies bonus. Claim it now. And you have to watch an ad to get it. Oh, and it also gave me like way less than a penny too. But if we go to cash out, you can see I've earned like a total of like $7 on something, or $8, since I reinstalled the app. And another thing I noticed, if you invite your friends, it really does not do anything for you, but it's there. I do kind of wish that MoneyTime would actually reward you for inviting friends instead of just having you invite friends and then they sign up and then nothing happens. You know, you should get some coins for referring a friend, and your friend should get coins for signing up. That's how it should work. As you can see, I'm going to share some screenshots here of some point values, some coin values that I took screenshots of when I was testing these offer wall games on MoneyTime, just to see if I can compare like the cash out amounts to the coin amounts. And basically that's it. So if you have anything else on MoneyTime, maybe I missed something, please comment below. And if you like these videos, please drop a comment and let me know below. Also drop a like on my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And I will see each and every one of you in the next new video. Peace.